I saw there was this gash in the sidewall of my tire.
Go, Ellen.
I'm going to try to see some wild buffalo.
Here's my van with hatch tent and 2 folding solar panels.
Good morning. This is the day that I leave the Ocala drive-in.
Here's the screen and a few of the vans. Here's my van. You can see the hatch tent, my window coverings, 2 of my solar panels, 2 of my power stations too.
I've been here for the past 3 nights with a group of great women through the Butterfly Tribe. Michelle put together this get-together at the Ocala Drive-In. It's been a lot of fun. We've mostly just been hanging out in little groups. There haven't been a lot of organized activities like there are at some meetups, but that's just fine, getting out and just hanging with other like-minded women and getting to know them. And we have had some activities, and they've been fun.
Ellen. Go, Ellen. Go, Ellen. One more time.
I'm getting shape of my whole body. Oh, good.
Woo!
We need music because this feels kind of. I thought he was a majorette.
Hey. Oh, you got it going on.
Yeah, I don't.
God, I have huge knees.
Don't step on the phone. Wait, it's not on yet.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! So this morning I have to go get a new tire, but first I'm going to have coffee. At the suggestion of some of my viewers, I tried 2 paper filters, doubled up paper filter, and that didn't help. Unfortunately, the coffee still ran very quickly through the filter. So I tried 4 level scoops and it was too weak. So I took out another paper filter and put 1 heaping scoop in and then used it like a tea bag, and that strengthened it up. So now coffee's good. I mostly packed up last night. The weather was questionable. We didn't know if we were going to get rain or not.
It's pouring outside, and I'm getting 0 rain inside thanks to my SUV tent window coverings.
So I put the hatch tent away. I can see my rear here. It's actually fairly clean. So you can see the back, the window covering on my rear window there. The hatch tent is all put away. Even my chair is inside. I have it on my front seat here, and I'll put it on my mattress when I'm ready to drive. So I'm gonna go to Pep Boys. Uh, I don't know why I just chose them. I looked up where I could find the same tire that I have. Oh, so my tire. So when I was putting up the hatch tent, when I got here, I saw there was this gash in the sidewall of my tire, and there were 2 other divots in the same tire. So here are photos of those.
Here's the slice and the 2 other divots all in the same tire. What the heck?
I don't know what happened. They weren't there when I let air out of the tires when I got to Florida. And I had my tires rotated a week before I left Boston. So even if I didn't see it when I was letting air out of the tires, the guys rotating the tires would have seen it. So it definitely wasn't there last week. So I don't know. I hit curbs all the time. Maybe it was that. But usually I hit them with the front tires, not the rear tires, and this was a rear tire. I don't know, but I need a new tire. So I'll go to Pep Boys. I looked at different shops, and this one had the tire that matches. It looked like they had it in stock. At least they had it on their website as available. So I will go do that. And then I'm going to another camping spot through Overlander with two of the women who I've been with for the past few nights. I'll be with them for 2 nights at this Overlander spot, which is just a few miles away from here. And then two of us are going to Payne's Prairie. And there they have wild buffalo that roam. I'm going to try to see some wild buffalo. I haven't seen any wild buffalo since I was in Montana. I think before any of my kids were born. So, like 30 years ago. Uh, yeah, that was a long time ago. Wow. So, I'm going to try to see some wild buffalo. I'm going to finish my coffee, finish packing up, and be on my way to Pep Boys.
Here's my new tire. Thanks, Pep Boys, and thanks to all of you for watching. Please like and subscribe.